I hope you all are fine. Welcome in Shala Band पण शिक्षण चालू project by Rohan Mumbai Mahanagarpalika. So today is subject is English. Let us start our lesson. Friday, subject English. Topic Androclus and the Lion by Seema Mohan Pandey, Sainath Municipal Marathi School number 1, Ghatkopar, Mumbai. Thought of the day. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Means what? Students, we always say that. She's my friend, he's my friend, he's my friend. But the true friend is who always helps you when you are needed. संकटात मदत करतो तोच खरा मित्र. Means others are not friends. Oh, okay, they are also friends. But real friend, which is near to your heart, is that who helps you. And here, you have to help him also or her also when he or she needs. Then only you will be a good friend. So the objectives of the lesson, students, last week, we have seen one lesson, Androclus and the Lion. And we have seen only half part of it. Today, we are going to see the same lesson, but next part. So, objectives will be the same. In this lesson also, you are going to learn new words and phrases. Now, what do you mean by words and phrases? Words mean words. For example, a new word, slave. That was new for you. Noble. That was also new for you. Then what are the phrases? What do you mean by phrases? In last part, we have seen that looking out for. At that time, I told you, look at. These all are phrases. Phrases means a group of words. And so many group of words we are going to see in the next part of this lesson also. Enable to read the lesson. At the end, you will be enabled to read the lesson also. And like last time, you will respond me. I hope you will respond to my questions. Now, children, last week we have seen that lesson. So let us check how much we have remembered from that lesson. So in front of you, revision means what we have learned in the first part of the lesson. So some sentences are, about 7 sentences are in front of you. What you are going to do, you are going to tell me whether these sentences or statements are true or false. True or false. आठवायचा धडा शिकलेला अर्धा आणि मला सांगायचं. Now the first, you are going to tell me. तुम्ही सांगणार आहात हा मला. Now the first sentence. Androclus was a slave. True or false? True आहे की false आहे?
Teacher, true आहे.
Yes, correct. Very good. Very good. Now second. His master was very kind.
Teacher.
Yes.
True.
His master means Androclus' master was very kind.
Teacher, false.
False means what was his master was very cruel. He did not give Androclus food at proper food. He had to work hard. Then also he was not बिहेविंग नाईसली. बघा त्यावेळेला तो चांगला वागत नव्हता, चांगलं जेवण सुद्धा त्याला देत नव्हता. हिज मास्टर, नॉट अँड्रोक्लस. Students, keep in mind whether I'm asking about Androclus or his master. So Androclus was kind, but his master was cruel. Okay, now the next one. Androclus escaped from the clutches of his master. He escaped from the hands of his master. True or false?
Teacher, true.
True, correct. Androclus ran away, escaped from his master, and he ran away because he was fed up with his master. So he now escaped means sutka hone. Escaped from sutka hone. And clutches, tight hold. He clutches of his master. Now the next one. He took shelter in the forest. He took shelter. He went in the forest.
Teacher, true.
Yes, correct. True. He went in the forest and took shelter. He did not mind whether he has a house there or shelter there, but he went there. Now the next. The lion's head was wounded.
Teacher, false.
Teacher, false.
Yes, correct. Very good. Then what was correct? Can you tell me? How can you correct it? Correct कसं कराल ते वाक्य? Which word we have to change?
Teacher, the lion's paw was wounded.
Yes, correct. Wounded. It's wounded. Wounded. The lion's paw was wounded, not head. Correct. Very good. Very nice response. Now next. Androclus frightened and ran away. When he saw the lion, he frightened and ran away.
False.
False. He paused there. He stopped there. Correct. Very good. Now the last one. The lion's wound was recovered and he was able to move about.
Teacher, false.
Listen again carefully. Okay. Okay. The lion's wound was recovered. He was feeling better. Now he was able to move.
Teacher,
was
true.
Teacher, true.
Okay. Good. I want to tell you the meaning of this. Means the lion was now feeling better. He can put his paw on the ground. He was able to put his paw on the ground. And now he was able to move about. Means he was going here and there with Androclus. Yes, because of Androclus. Very nice response. Very good, children. Like every time you have given me answers correctly. So clap for yourself. Now the next. Androclus and the lion. Now I have written there part 2. But if you see in the book, there is no part 1, part 2. पुस्तकात part 1, part 2 नाही. But for our convenience, we have separated it in 2 parts. एका वेळेला पूर्ण धडा घेता येत नाही म्हणून आपण तो पार्ट मध्ये विभागलाय. पुस्तकात 2 विभाग नाहीत. पुस्तकात पूर्ण स्टोरी आहे. But for our convenience, to understand whole lesson, we have divided it. Children, you can also divide and think about the lesson also. But how you will divide it? Divide कसं करायचं? You should know where you have to stop. Then where I stopped the lesson, where they become good friends. The lion and Androclus became good friends. This was the one situation. Now another situation will start. There will be called as a part 2. पुस्तकात 2 पार्ट मिळणार नाहीत. एका वेळेला इतका धडा होणार नाही. आपण तो आपल्यासाठी विभागलेला आहे. ओके. So now I will tell you the story in short, first part, and then we will start. Children, In first part, we have seen Androclus was a slave and he was working for his master, but his master was very cruel. He did not give proper food also to Androclus. Androclus was fed up with him and he ran away in the forest. He was very brave. Suddenly he saw a lion in front of him. Face to face, they were standing face to face. Androclus about to run, but he saw the lion was in great pain. He saw that there was a thorn in his paw. So he went near to the lion and took out that thorn and bounded that his paw with his own clothes. Now, Androclus was going here and there, bringing food for him and for lion also. When lion was recovered, he also started to go with Androclus and they became very good friends. This was the part 1. Now let us see what happened in the next. Now, I will read first. Listen carefully. Listen the pronunciation of every word. काळजीपूर्वक ऐका. मी वाचते. In the meanwhile, Androclus' master had complained to the authorities that his slave Androclus had run away. Soldiers were sent in the directions to capture Androclus. They searched for him high and low, but couldn't find him. At last, they came to the forest where Androclus lived. Now what happened? They were living happily. Who? Androclus and lion. They were living happily. But in the meanwhile, this was happening. When this was happening, what happened? Androclus' master. Now see that apostrophe S. Androclus spelling ends with S. आणि से लावताना पुन्हा आपण apostrophe S लावतो. पण जर असं डबल एस येत असेल तर फक्त apostrophe लावायचा म्हणजे त्याच्या डोक्यावर उलट स्वल्पविराम द्यायचा. That's why it's Androclus, means Androclus' master had complained. Master means his master complained to the authorities. Complained, he gave a complaint to authorities. Now who's the authority? The emperor, the king. He was the authority of them. So authorities that he's a slave. He's a slave means Androclus. He's a slave means his master slave. मालकांचा तो जो slave आहे गुलाम. Androclus had run away. He went away. He left me. He gave a complaint. Soldiers were sent in the directions to capture Androclus. Now capture means catch. To catch. Capture means catch. Now soldiers were sent by whom? By the king. Means in short, the king sent soldiers. This is passive voice. What is voice? We are going to see in future. Voice म्हणजे काय? Active, passive voice we are going to see. Just keep in mind this is a passive voice where soldiers were sent by the king. The king sent soldiers in all directions. सर्व दिशांना, दाही दिशांना आपण म्हणतो तसं. To capture, to catch Androclus. And they searched for him high and low. They means the soldiers. They is for the soldiers. That is pronoun. Searched for. They looked for him. We have seen that phrase in first part. Search for him. Searched means look for him. शोधणे. High and low. High and low means everywhere. This is idiom. Idioms also we are going to see in the in future. What is idiom? Man. High and low. Now see the children. Ha has different meaning, low has different meaning. But when it comes together, it has totally different meaning. Means high means खूप उच्च, low means खूप खाली. We use it generally for our sound. But high and low when it's come together, it means everywhere. दोन शब्द एकत्र येऊन त्याचा तिसराच अर्थ तयार होतो. त्याला म्हणतात हाय अँड लो. For another example, we can say it's not everybody's cup of tea. Cup of tea म्हणजे चहाचा कप. But here the meaning is it's not easy. म्हणजे अर्थ बदलतो. म्हणत सुद्धा असतं बघा, काखेत कळसा गावाला वळसा. ना तिथं कळशी आहे ना गाव आहे, याचा अर्थ आपल्या जवळची वस्तू गावात दुसरीकडे शोधणे. लाईक दॅट इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो वी हॅव इडियम्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड इडियम्स. हा and low, one of the examples means they were searching for him, they were looking for him high and low, but could not find him. त्यांना तो सापडला नाही. At last they came to the forest. In the same forest, in which forest? Where Androclus lived. Androclus where lived, they came. In the same forest, the soldiers came. Then what happened? Let us see. Now see. Again, I will read the paragraph. You will listen carefully. काळजीपूर्वक ऐका. It so happened that Androclus had gone out alone that day while Lion rested near the cave. Both of them fell into the hands of the soldiers. The soldiers took them back to the city. They put Androclus in chains in a prison. The lion was caged. Now what happened? See. It so happened that, what happened? It so happened, असं घडलं, like that in English. Androclus had gone out alone. On that day, he went into the forest for looking for food alone. Means lion was not with him, ektas. And that day, while the lion rested near the cave, and lion was sitting near his cave, Androclus was in the forest. Means totally both of them were alone. दोघही एकटे होते. Both of them fell into the hands of the soldiers. Fell into the hands of soldiers means they were caught by soldiers. They caught him. दोघही सापडले. The soldiers took them back to the city. Again, they were brought to the city to the emperor. They put Androclus in chains in a prison. They put him in prison, turung. But not only put them in prison, but also bounded with chain. He was bounded with chain. Chain na बांधलं होतं. The lion was caged. You can see in that picture. Caged. He was in the cage. Lion was in the cage, a pinjra. Now what happened next then? Now both of them were caught. Now they don't have freedom. Androclus was in the prison and lion was in the cage. Now the next. In those days, people who were found to be guilty of a serious crime were fed to wild beasts. As punishment, running away from one master's way was very serious crime at that time. Therefore, Androclus too was to be thrown to the wild beasts. Now let us see part. In those days, at that time, in Androclus' time, in those times, in that time, त्यावेळेला, people who were found to be guilty. The word is guilty. Guilty. What do you mean by guilty? Means crime, responsible for serious crime. You can say apradhi. in those days, who were found to be guilty means who did the crime, अपराध करणारे of a serious crime were fed to wild beasts. Now see, fed to wild beasts. Let us see what is the meaning of it. Now, what is the difference between beast and animal? Now, if we see as a general, beast means all animal except human being. Except human being. माणसं सोडून all animals who are violent, generally, who are violent. Actually, beasts mean animals only. They are synonyms, samanarthi. Beast mean animals, but there is a slight hair difference between it. Beast means those animals who become violent and who can kill if they are angry. But animal is different. Animals mean including human being. And another thing beast means, and this is called animal in scientific uses, multicellular, anek peshe. But if you see as a literature, as a what you can say grammar, it is adjective and noun, that like that difference. How beast will be a adjective? Beast तर noun होते. मग इथं beast म्हणजे क्रूर, क्रूर चिडलेला, एकदम दुसऱ्याला मारणारा अशा अर्थानं. ओके. and animal is animal, noun. थोडक्यात लक्षात ठेवा, beast म्हणजे एकदम क्रूरपणानं निर्दयी म्हणत होत, like that. So in that time, a serious crime fed to wild beasts. If you do a crime, you will be fed to a wild beast. तुम्हाला त्या क्रूर जनावरांच्या समोर फेकलं जायचं त्यांचं अन्न म्हणून. Like that it was as a punishment. Punishment, it is a opposite of a reward. Punishment, reward. They are opposite. Shiksha, punishment means. It's a noun. Running away from one master's. Running away means escape from a place. Running away, to go away. Running away from the master was a very serious crime at that time. At that time means in Androclus' time, it was a serious crime, mottha guna, which was to run away from master. Therefore, Androclus too was to be thrown to the wild beast. Now, Androclus too and was too. There are two twos, two and two. First two means Suddha and second two, that is preposition, Shakade. Keep in mind the difference between two म्हणजे Suddha, आम्ही सुद्धा म्हणतो तसं. Therefore, Androclus too. That's why they have given you their comma. Androclus too was to be thrown. He was to be thrown to the wild beast by the authority. He was also had a same punishment because he also ran away from his master. So then what happened? Now see, on the appointed day, the emperor arrived at the circus and took his place. The crowd cheered loudly. The trumpeters blew the trumpet. And Androclus was brought into arena. His chains were unbound. He felt weak and dismayed. He was certain that this was the last day of his life. Look, how many new words are there? Look at that words. What happened? On the appointed day, means the day was fixed for punishment. Now they are going to give punishment to Androclus. because he ran away from his master. So on the appointed day, means the day was fixed. The emperor, look at that picture, he is the emperor, king, arrived at the circus. Now, is it a circus? Now here circus means what the event is going to happen. That is called here circus. And took his place, meaning he sat down on his place. And what happened then? The crowds cheered loudly. The crowd was also there. Means people also came to watch what happened to Androclus. Now see, Androclus will be brought there and he will be thrown to a lion, in front of lion, to feed him. Now to see this, all crowds, the crowds cheered loudly. They started cheering. All of you know cheering means what? To taking the name. When the game's going on, we cheered. खेळात आपण cheer करतो बघा. Sachin, 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 Sachin when he's playing. Or anybody, when somebody, even if your friend is playing, if he has taken part in running competition, you cheered your friend. तुम्ही त्याच्या नावानं ओरडता किंवा त्याचा बॅक हे करता. That is called cheer. Loudly, the trumpeters. What is trumpeters? Now see trumpeters. You can see in that picture. रणशिंग फुंकले म्हणतो बघा आपण तुतारी. When something is going to happen, trumpets are played. तुतारी वाजवली जाते कोणत्याही कार्यक्रमाच्या आधी. That was trumpets blew the trumpet. Now here's blew means played, vazavni. And Androclus was brought into the arena. What is arena? Arena means you can see in that picture, there is a place in the middle, big place. And around that, there is a sitting arrangement. And people sit there on the chairs or on the benches and they watch. In another word, you can say a playground, which is closed by the sitting arrangement. You have seen a cricket ground. All is covered with people. And in between there is a place where they play. आपण cricket ground बघतो तसं चारी बाजूनी लोक. That is called arena. Androclus was brought into the arena. His chains were unbound. He was bounded with chains. Now he unbound. They unbound him because he can't run away because there is no place to run. All place was covered. So he was unbound, means chains, there were no chains around him. He felt weak. Now weak means ashakta. He has lost his all power. Weak, opposite strong. Weak, it is opposite of strong. And dismayed. Dismayed, look at that picture. You can see that is dismayed means nirash. He was certain, that means he was sure that this was the last day of his life. He knew that now the lion will come, he will eat me, and so today is my last day. Now you can see the lion and also Androclus in picture. What happened? At the opposite end, the gate was raised and the furious lion was released into the arena. It had been kept hungry to make it more furious. Androclus was filled with fear, but put up a brave front. Now what happened? Now Androclus was in arena. At the opposite end, opposite to Androclus, there was a gate. It was raised, means it was opened. And ferocious lion, ferocious. It's ferocious. Ferocious means violent. He was violent Violent means what? He was very angry. Instead of very angry, you can use violent or ferocious. Ferocious means खूप चिडलेला. Lion was released into the arena. Now that lion also came, and the lion was very, very angry. He was ferocious. Why? Because it had been kept hungry to make it more ferocious. He was kept hungry. The soldiers or the emperor did not give him anything to eat. So he was hungry, and that's why he was angry. In the first, we have seen in chat that lions only attack when they are hungry. Animals only attack when they are hungry. No, he was hungry because he did not get anything to eat. And to feed, Androclus was filled with fear. His eyes were full of fear. He was frightened. Fear means frightened. But he put up a brave front. To put up brave front means show that one is not afraid. He was showing that I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. He was showing by his behavior, but actually, really, he was frightened because he knew that now lion would be going to eat me. Then really he ate him. Let us see. The lion saw Androclus and rushed toward him, bounding and roaring. But suddenly it stopped in its tracks. Then it moved slowly forward. All its rage to see melted. Androclus saw these two. Each friend recognized the other. Now, till that moment, Androclus was thinking that that was the last day for his life. But what happened? See, it was really miracle. The lion saw Androclus and rushed towards him. He was very hungry. He was angry. He was violent. He rushed. He ran towards him, bounding and roaring. He came forward, bounding. We have seen that word before also. Before also we have seen that word. There we have seen what? Bound by law. Bound up. Now it is bounded. Now bounded means rush forward. He came and he was roaring. But suddenly it stopped in its track. Suddenly stopped there. From where he was running, he stopped there. Then he moved slowly forward. He came nearer and nearer to Androclus, but slowly. All its rage means uncontrollable anger. He was very angry. He could not control his anger because he was hungry. But now it seemed that all his rage seemed to have melted. Seemed to. Before also we have seen. Seemed to. In the first part also we have seen his eyes seemed to say. His eyes seemed to say, help me. पहिल्या भागात पण बघितलं होतं, seemed to say, help me. And now seems to be melted. What is the meaning of seem? असं वाटणे, assume करणे. When we see somebody, we assume that he is angry, he is fed up, he is happy. आपण ओळखतो तसं. That is called seemed. And had melted means gone away. All his anger gone away. Melt म्हणजे वितळणे. याचा अर्थ काय घ्यायचा? Anger has been melted means he has forgotten his anger. Now no more he was angry. Androclus saw this too. He also saw this. Two means also. Each friend recognized the other. Both of them means each means lion and Androclus. Both of them recognized. They found that they are friends. They recognized, ओळखलं. And that bounding and roaring beast, animal, now he was not no more angry. Now then what happened? To everyone's amazement, the lion bounded towards Androclus again. But when it reached him, it began to purr and rub its nose against him. Androclus hugged the lion. He wept with relief and joy. Now see, look at that picture. Both of them are happy. Lion is also seem to be happy and Androclus is also happy. Why? Let us see. To everyone's amazement, amazement means surprise. Everybody was surprised that lion was no more angry. He came near Androclus, but he did not do anything. The lion bounded towards Androclus again. Again the same word, bounded towards. Now bounded towards means coming nearer. Coming nearer, or you can say rush forward. जवळ येणे. Androclus again. But wait, we reached him. It began to purr. Purr means to making noise. आवाज करणे. Actually cats purr. मांजरीच्या आवाजाला पृ म्हणतात. पण here he was so happy that his voice was like a cat's voice. He purred and rubbed its nose against him. He started rubbing his nose against Androclus. Androclus hugged the lion. Again, Androclus hugged him. मिठी मारली. He wept with relief and joy. Wept means cried. Weep म्हणजे रडणे. Wept is past tense. Cried, cry. Relief and joy. His eyes were filled with tears, but both of them were happy. Now what happened next? The audience, including the emperor, watched this tender sight in great wonder. People began to cheer Androclus and asked for his release. The emperor asked Androclus to explain the lion's strange behavior. When he heard the whole story, the emperor was also moved by the gratitude and the friendship between man and beast. He ordered that Androclus should be set free. He would no longer be slave. Now see what happened. People who came to see this, the audience, prekshak, audience, including emperor. Including emperor means emperor also. Means audience and emperor watched this tender sight. Sight means sin. Now what is tender? Tender means komal, mrudu. But here we can say hruday dravak prasanga asa आपण म्हणू शकतो. Means it was a tender sight. Tender opposite tough. Tender means komal, tough म्हणजे hard. These are the opposite words. Tender, tough. Now here what happened? The sight was tender. It was fully emotional. In a great wonder, people began to cheer Androclus. Now they were taking name of Androclus and asked for his release. They asked the emperor to release him, to give him freedom. The emperor asked Androclus to explain the lion's strange behavior. He asked Androclus how this happened, how the lion was so friendly with you. When he heard the whole story, now here whole, 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 sampurna, HOLE, whole म्हणजे छिद्र. Keep in mind the difference between two words, whole and whole. WHOLE, whole म्हणजे संपूर्ण, HOLE, whole म्हणजे बीड. Now keep in mind, because one alphabet makes the word different. Whole story, the emperor was also moved by. When he heard the story of lion and Androclus, he was also became emotional. He got emotional. Moved by means emotional. And gratitude, recognition, each of them recognized each other, and friendship. And he saw the first time the friendship between man and the beast, not animal, beast. He ordered the Androclus should be set free. He ordered his soldiers, set him free, give him freedom, let him go. Now his punishment was cancelled. Shiksha maaf zali. He would no longer be a slave. Now he will not be a slave now. Now he got a freedom. That was the great gift for Androclus. Now when the emperor asked Androclus what other reward he would like, Androclus replied that he did not want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. The two friends went back to the forest to live a free life. Now see at the end what happened. When the emperor asked Androclus, he asked Androclus what other reward he would like. Reward, bakshis. Punishment, opposite of reward. A reward, punishment. Punishment, reward. They are opposite. Now what reward you want? Bakshis. Androclus replied, he gave reply, he did not want anything. But what he want? For himself. He did not want anything for himself. But he wanted the lion to be set free. He wanted the lion's freedom also. I don't want anything. Just set that lion free. Set free. Phrase ahi, to be set free means give freedom. Swatantra dene. And these two friends, Androclus and the lion, went to the forest to live a free life. Now they, both of them were free. Now they can live their own life. This is today's story. Student, I hope you must have understand. Let us see how much you have understand. Now evaluation. I have given you 3 sentences only. What you are going to do? Choose the correct alternative and read the sentence. योग्य पर्याय निवडून वाक्य पूर्ण करायचं आहे. See the first sentence. Androclus and lion fell into the hands of. Yes, students. Yes.
Teacher, the soldiers.
Yes. Can you read full sentence? Read the full sentence.
Androclus and the lion fell into the hands of the soldiers.
Correct. Very good. Now the next one. The lion licked Androclus' arm to. He licked his arm to show.
Teacher,
Yes.
show love.
Okay. Any other? Yes. Gratitude. Yes, gratitude. He wanted to show his gratitude. So can you read whole sentence?
The lion licked Androclus' arm to show gratitude.
Correct. The lion licked. The word is licked. And Androclus licked. Okay, now the last one. In those days, people who were found to be guilty of a serious crime were fed to.
Teacher,
Can I tell?
Yes, tell.
In those days, people who were found be guilty of serious crime were fed to wild beasts.
Beasts, correct. Wild beasts, correct. Very good. They are fed. They were gave to the beast to eat. Okay, very good response. Now the next one. Again, opposite words we are going to see like last one. See the opposite words and opposite words are given. Options are given below. Now you have to tell punishment. Yes. Reward. Correct. Punishment, reward. Reward, bakshis. Tender. Yes.
Teacher, tender
Tough. Yes, correct. Your answer is correct. Tough. The word is tough. Tough. Now next. Happy.
unhappy.
Correct. Weak.
Strong.
Weak. Strong. Correct. Weak. Strong. Slow.
Fast.
Very good. You all are very nice and very good students. Now this is your homework. Take a screenshot, write answers of the question and show your teacher. Take a screenshot. Done? Thank you very much.